You got this shit.
Let's go, baby. Get a snow. Did you get a snow rabbit or a fuck?
Alright, first box.
Dude, I still can't believe I was missing a fucking pack, bro. That could have been a blue eyes.
That sucks.
Yeah. I got fucked.
You should have live streamed it.
Yeah. And then I would have got probably something.
Oh, I'm hoping for Dark Magician or Red Eyes. Like, that's all I could really ask for. Oh, damn, that's a tough one.
Did you open those yet? Or
No. Always save those for last.
those good mango.
Dude, I've had it, like, these boxes are in my way. First pack, let's go. Scrap. Monarchs. Oh, Toad. Oh, and the Phantom Knight. Bro. And a Super Poly. Bro, that was a good pack.
Yeah, I'll trade you for the rest because I'm building a
Nice.
that RSC and the fucking super poly. Or what you call super poly.
Brotherhood, Union, Lancia again, Speedroid, Trident again, Mistaken. Wow.
You already got 2 cards out.
Lost World, Gear Gigant, Speed, Shared Ride. Oh, Dragon Maid. Dude, Dragon Maid pack again.
Yeah, they're like packed together. I don't know why. Yeah, you see runouts.
That's good now. Shit.
And the ghost cards, they're all packed together too.
Extra Foolish, Called by the Grave. Oh, Forbidden Chalice. Shared Ride, Dragon Maid. That was not there. Eh. First pack was better.
Okay, hey man. Yo, what's we doing here?
Fuck.
Oh, what?
Let's go. I'm feeling the pulls. Whitestone, Trap Tricks. Oh, Beatrice. Upside down card. Wow. Upside down card again. I even turned it over, bro. Bro. But look at that. 3 super poly. Oh no. Now I have 3 super polys. Mech Knight, Dark Lord. Upside down. What the hell? Come on, Konami. What are you doing?
Watch, you got like this crazy misprint. Oh, another S key?
Yeah. Tachyon, Mistaken, Ghost Bell again, Hoot Cake, Tachyon, Dryden, another one.
Bro, all those like ghost cards and fucking Dryden.
Drowning. Oh, a Lester, now I have a set. Ghost Ogre, Dimension Prison, Trap Tricks. Alright.
Third box up?
Yeah.
First two boxes are up, not gonna lie.
I mean, not too bad.
You're gonna pull up fucking protection vision.
Would be nice. I'd actually prefer Red Eyes, but I can't complain whichever I get. Shit.
Think about how many maximum full packs we have.
Brotherhood of the Fireface, Union Scramble, Transcode Talker, Elder Entity. Wow, shit pack.
Transgrenade has a new name. Look at it.
It's called Hatronade.
Yeah.
That's an old card. Yeah. Trap Tricks, Beatrice, Synchron,
Yeah, I need one of those.
Tour Guide, Mechafen.
Oh, I'll trade you for that tour guide.
That was decent.
Yo, I'll trade you for that tour guide 100% because I want to get the alternate art set.
Tachyon, Mistaken, Artifact Lance. Now I have a set. Mistake,
Oh, Mikey.
Stardust.
Oh, hopefully you pull more lances so you can let's see what
I have a set of Secret, Common, and Gold now.
That's great.
Drowning, Noble Knight. Oh, I'm happy I got that. Ghost Spell. Dude, that looks nice. I'll show you that up close.
Yeah. Put that in the fucking protecting. That looks so sick, dude. I almost want to use that over my secret rare. Because I run Monster Reborn and my PK for this fucking.
Okay. I'm actually stoked I got that card.
You say what, fourth box now?
Fourth.
Yeah. The ship flies, eh?
Yeah, it kind of does.
4 boxes coming for Christmas, man. It'd be hard not to open one, but after today's opening. That is 4th box.
I kind of like this set, not gonna lie. Even though it's not very valuable. Right now, it's not very valuable. I know. Because it has all kinds of cards, even old cards.
Yeah, and that reason alone is why it's going to be so expensive years from now when you can't buy it at retail.
Extra Foolish. Upside Down. Fucking Konami. Rank Up Magic. Look how off-center this pack is. Damn. Dark Lord. Dark Lord.
It's so crazy how shit the quality of the cards actually are. They look
Number, silent, honor, dark, drowning. Oh, chaos dragon, the old artwork. That, okay. Oh, Appaloosa, that's a good pack. Chaos and Appaloosa.
You have Appaloosa?
Not yet. That's my first one.
Fucking fucking 99, you made that. Really good card.
I wonder how much the first Dead Starlight is. It was like 1400 or something outrageous.
Appaloosa Starlight?
Yeah. At one point. I don't know if it's still like that. Buster. Oh, I got the fusion you needed.
Yeah, that's beautiful. That.
First card.
It's like you got a lot of cards that are necessarily
Noble Knight. Another Monster Reborn. Shared Ride. Laundry Dragon Maid. Planet.
Now that you got two, you can trade one of those.
Yeah, probably.
Yo, boy, over here is fucking simple. I'm thinking about trading for every single card in this set, like gold wise, and just having a whole collection.
Night Beam. Oh, Boral Sword, bro. That's I don't have that card either. I finally got one, and it's alternate artwork. No, I'm not trading. You know it. See? Oh, and Utopia the Lightning.
Yeah, would you trade that Boros for it?
No, I'm keeping it. It's my only one.
Well, let's hope you pull another one, baby. Come on.
You're gonna get all these cards anyway.
And a fucking Boros sword.
You're gonna get it in the mail.
I got 4 just like fucking dogs and stuff like that. I went to the fucking mailbox after I got off the phone with you, and there was cards when I went.
I told you.
I literally checked like 2 hours before. There's this comic repay nights.
Okay, last 4 gold.
Don't mix it up, mix it up. You gotta like fucking spread the heat. Yeah.
Set. Oh, that's in the set. What the? Damn.
I didn't know that was it.
Oh, now I have extras.
Oh, he pulled it.
He pulled the Lancia.
I got a Lancia set now too, baby.
What? How many do you have? 1 or 2?
I have 1, but you have what? 4 now?
Yeah.
You have a Monster Reborn. Yeah, you have 4 now. Oh, I need a Beatrice, a Rusty, a Lancia, and a Monster Reborn, and put all those to the side, yeah?
Shit, that pack's gone.
Yeah, you literally. Bro, this is probably one of the most fun sets they've released in a long time.
Alistair.
Yeah, that's dope.
And Toad. I put Toad in there just cause. Okay. It's boiling down to the last 3 packs.
I can't believe how short print.
Pallades. Upside down again. Kagari. This upside down is really tripping me out. And look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a line going straight through it. Let me see if I can. You see it right there, right? Noble Knight, Necro Valley, Alester again, Shared Ride, Monarchs Erupt, and Kagari. Wow. Last pack. Last pack. Come on. Oh, Droll and Lock. That's not that bad. That's not that bad. I'll take that. Let's recap here. That was one gold display case.
Not a single imperm.
Not a single Nibiru.
Not a single app blossom. Not a single snow rabbit. Not a single
I'm not mad. Not a single Blue Eyes or Red Eyes or Dark Magician. 2 Monster Reborns though. 2 Beatrice. Konami. Let's hope I can redeem myself with the OTS.
No, like the thing is, man, like, yo, they market this to like children, like, yo, they just stealing these kids' money. Like, some one kid opened that, the kids ruined his whole Christmas, and Konami's just laughing.
ABC.
Yo, you kid, okay, yo, I'm praying for you, bro. TS packs, bro. Like, I really hope you get multi. You have 13 too, right?
Yeah. 13 13s.
So we're at 1 in 27 right now are the odds. So far.
What the heck is going on?
So
No, we got this. Fuck.
I feel like Konami doesn't even have 14 packs right now. Like, they probably didn't even have a printer.
What were they thinking? I mean, they're offering them out because no tournaments, but they don't have enough of them.
Yeah. Like, I mean, they're giving out 13 packs right now because, like, that's a proper print set, you know what I mean? So they still have shit left over, like, 14. Like, printed during COVID, so it's, like, not even close to the regular amount. Fuck me, thank you. Okay, whoa, thanks. Stupid bitch. You stink.
Come on, last 2.
I'm really hungry.
Wow.
You got it, you got it, you got it.
Oh! Dweller on the last pack. Last pack, bro. Last pack.
Congrats, dude. It's like a fucking $50 card, $75 card. Something this Dweller Ultimate Rare. It's from the tournament pack though, it's not from the pack still. It's from one of those free packs that you get when you buy. That's dope. That's dope. I mean, yeah, how much is that? I'm gonna check right now.
It's like 80, I think. I'm stoked. Alright, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.